All right, guys, so we just finished having lunch. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go bike riding on this trail, and it's raining and it's muddy. So I never really ride bike in the mud, especially having my kids behind me. But guess what? This is why we call it an adventure, right? Let's check it out. Let's put on this poncho. It is raining outside today. Hold on.
Oh, you're riding with him, so he'll cover your head. You don't want to, Colin? Are you sure?
Maybe for 14.
My hat.
Ủa cái này sao ta? Ủa?
Ủa anh Việt Kiều hả?
Right. We are about to go on a bike ride after our lunch. All right, let's go. We're on a roll. Okay, we're on a roll now. I got all my shoes got really muddy. So with all these little bumps. All right, guys, so we're bike riding right now, and it's actually raining. I gotta put my poncho on.
I don't have a hoodie.
You don't have a hoodie?
Yeah.
And I feel like my tires are a little bit flat,
Got my jacket.
so it's okay. What worst can happen riding in the rain, right? Come on, Colin, you can do it, son. I got the hang of it. It's just mud. How's everyone? Everyone in the back?
Guys, it's too fun, guys.
You know how hard it is to ride bike on this muddy road and record at the same time? Y'all gotta give me a light for this one. Okay? And I got the kids right behind me.
Daddy
Look at this. Oh man, this is a bumpy road.
and Daddy.
Move to the right. Car's coming. Just wait.
Colin.
Just keep it going, Colin. Yeah, go down. This is the hill. Whew. Wow. Oh man. This is pretty intense, not gonna lie. This is new to us, riding in this area. There you go. Hả? Để dành vô nha. How you doing, Carter? You doing good?
Yeah.
Alright, we're halfway there. This is beautiful. Look, man, look at the view. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Man, look at this. So beautiful. This is cool. All right, we're gonna continue on, guys. Let's rock it. Ah, we're not to our final destination yet, but we're getting there. I'm getting used to the bike ride. It was kind of scary, you know. This is my first rodeo for this bike ride. The ground is very muddy right now, and you know, I don't want any accident. I don't want any accident at all. The rain stopped, but you just gotta be careful with riding now. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Look at all this puddle, guys. Look at all this puddle that I have to like dodge. Okay, now I'm the last one. You like it? Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Man, it is a muddy ride, dude. It is so muddy. Oh, wow. Look at this view. Oh my God. Wow. So I guess it's worth it, huh? This is what happened when you're like riding in the mud, y'all. You gotta stop, let the car go by. It's a muddy fucking ride, dude. Oh, we got a bunch of mud on us. Woo! Oh man. You got it, Colin? Hey, go around me. Why you keep going near the mud?
There is another truck.
Oh, another one? My luck, God. Please, no mud on us. Every time they ride by is a big old mud pile. Slow down, slow down. Ah! We keep getting all this. Oh, so hot. So humid. Yeah, this really relaxes me, man. This is really like a mind relaxing release of all stress, especially mud hitting you. Far, we need to get it as far as we can get it before we turn around. We gotta set standards. Let's go. My pants is definitely all muddy and wet right now, y'all. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, look at this guy's leg. This guy got mud all over his leg. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. Part of the game. Hello. Everybody's enjoying a good time right now. Look at this. I want to show you guys this scene before we turn around. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah. This is the kind of relaxation that I need, guys. Even though it's work, but man, this is breathtaking, yo. Come on. Do you guys really see this every single day of your life? Nope. No, you don't. And another truck is coming. Oh. All right, guys. There you are. There you have it. We made it to this trail. We would go deeper, but it's so muddy. Hi, Carter. Say hi. Over here.
Hi.
How's the ride? How you like it?
Guys.
Is it scary?
Yeah, but it's too muddy.
It's how muddy is it? Oh man. You know, guys, you know how I mentioned like I work so hard lately, been working all 24/7, and I really have you know what? This is my kind of relaxation. This adrenaline, riding in the mud, in the rain, dodging cars, dodging all the little holes. It's just bringing that anxiety up to another level where it is great. I need this. Ooh, it's more muddy. All right, let's go back. Huh? Got on your shoes? All right, let's go back. Oh man. All right, guys, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really want to work really hard to get all the footage I can so I can share this with you guys. I mean, you know, we don't get to ride by in the mud every day, next to a mountain, next to water, you know, in Vietnam. Come on. More mud, more mud. Oh, more mud coming. Whew. Well, there is so many trucks going by this road. But look at this, y'all. This view is so amazing, right?
Hello.
Hi, Carter. How you doing, baby? Look at the camera. Wave to the camera, baby. Oh my God. Colin, wait for us. Poor my oldest son. Oh, there's another truck coming. Oh, there's another truck coming. I know, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We got to go. Oh. So muddy, guys. Colin, wait for us. What's scary is going back now. Well, all right, guys. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm gonna try to ride back safely and without falling or anything. Let's go. Oh my God. Ugh. Everything is dirty.
Your pants are dirty.
I know. It's okay. It's part of the game. All right, guys. This is our bike ride. I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.